Hi, I'm Paul Pazolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 4, number 28, which reads, two different points on a number line are both 3 units from the point with a coordinate -4. The solution to which of the following equations gives a coordinate of both points. So it's great if you're able to recognize it, but most students will not be able to. So in which case, since you've got the absolute value isolated, if we're checking for answer choice A, what we're going to do is we're going to do x plus 4 equals 3, just as it is without the absolute value, and then x plus 4 equals -3. And the logic behind it is, if what winds up inside the absolute value is -3, you take the absolute value and it's 3. And of course, if what winds up in the absolute value is 3, absolute value is also 3. So that's why you set it equal to 3 and -3. If I subtract 4 from both sides here, then I get x equals -1. If I subtract 4 from both sides here, I get x equals -7. Now you'd have to ask yourself, are they both 3 units from the point -4? Now you might be able to just look at this and know, which is fantastic, but if we had a number line, and let's say this is 0, and this is -1, -2, -3, -4, that's a 3, -5, -6, and finally -7. And we've got the point -4. If you move 3 units, 1, 2, 3, you're at -1. 3 units this way, 1, 2, 3, you're at -7, so you have your answer. Now, what's the shortcut? The shortcut is the following. If you're centered on the point -4, then the opposite is going to be within the absolute value. So just based on that, you know that the answer is A. And if it's got to be 3 units from a certain point, then you know it's got to equal 3, and you'd be able to narrow it down to A or B based on that. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with absolute value problems, doesn't know how to solve them. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.